Dandelion chocolate. It's exquisite. Check it out. If you know anything about me, you know that I love dandelions. Call those dandy flowers. We also are a big fan of chocolate because I got a golden ticket. So today we're gonna try out ourselves some dandelion chocolate straight from the coast. Esmeralda, Ecuador. All right, so I've never had this before. Like I said, these are called wish flowers. Love wish flowers. This is a different version. I don't think it's a dandelion. Yeah, we've got sweet dandies and this here dandelion chocolate. Now, if you've got friends in the right places, they bring you treats like this. Oh yeah. Oh, I feel like I'm in Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory because I might have wanted a golden ticket. I won't eat the whole thing today unless I get really hungry. And if I end up at Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, you'll know why. Because I got a golden ticket. The best way to start this off is actually to just take my dandy flour and get my palate ready to roll. Now, if you've never done that before, it's a little much from the get-go. Oh, one more. Check it out. I almost lost it. The cats would have got it, or the goats. Very dark chocolate. If you like dark chocolate, this is really good. So this tastes just like dark chocolate, 70%. Now here's the thing about it. It's called dandelion chocolate, but I just read back here, first time ever reading this. You see the ingredients? I'll read them to you. Cocoa beans, cacao, and organic cane sugar, which means if you're gonna buy dandelion chocolate and you're expecting dandies in the mix, read the label first. And if you're eating dandies and chocolate at the same time, don't get which hand mixed up because then you might get a surprise. But I will tell you, if you eat a dandy flower with the dark chocolate, it's exquisite. It's really good. I've got a dandy flower in my mouth. I'm not going to show you. That's like slobbery dark chocolate. You don't want to see it. But if I didn't know any better, I'd say dandy flowers, dandelions, and chocolate. It's a great idea. And if you ever buy dandelion chocolate, there's actual dandelions in the chocolate. Let me know.